In this video, I will show you how to find my Bitcoin wallet address on Cash App. Make sure to stick around until the end of the video so you don't miss any important details. You might be wondering, why would you even need your Bitcoin wallet address on Cash App? Well, there are a few good reasons. For example, someone might want to send you Bitcoin, or you might be using Bitcoin for business transactions. If you're working with a company or client who pays in cryptocurrency, they'll need your Bitcoin wallet address to send the funds directly to your Cash App account. You'll land on the home screen, where you can see your account balance, recent transactions, and various options for managing your money. This is where everything begins. Now, to find your Bitcoin wallet address, start by tapping on the small icon at the bottom of the screen. It usually looks like a bank symbol or a dollar sign. This will take you to your cash balance or money section inside the app. Once you're there, scroll down until you find a section labeled Bitcoin, or sometimes crypto. If you don't see this option right away, don't worry. It might mean that your Cash App account doesn't yet have Bitcoin enabled. To fix that, go to your settings and make sure Bitcoin transactions are turned on. You may also need to update your app to the latest version to access the crypto features. Once the Bitcoin section appears, tap on it. Inside, you'll find several options related to managing your Bitcoin, including buy, sell, and withdraw Bitcoin. But for this tutorial, what we're looking for is your Bitcoin wallet address, which allows you to receive funds. Look for a button that says Deposit Bitcoin or Receive Bitcoin. This button usually has a small downward arrow icon next to it, making it easy to recognize. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a new screen displaying your wallet details. On this new screen, you'll see your Bitcoin wallet address, which will appear as a long string of random letters and numbers. This sequence is completely unique to your account and acts as your secure identifier on the blockchain network. Since Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, it's extremely important to use the exact address shown. Instead of trying to write it down manually, which can lead to errors, simply tap the Copy button located near the address. This will copy the entire Bitcoin wallet address to your clipboard instantly. Once copied, you can paste it wherever you need to share it, in an email, a text message, a payment form, or directly into another crypto platform. This makes it easy for someone to send you Bitcoin without the risk of typing errors. If the sender is using a QR code instead of text, Cash App also provides a QR code version of your wallet address on the same screen, which they can scan to send you funds instantly. And that's it. You've successfully found and copied your Bitcoin wallet address on Cash App. The process is simple, but it's crucial to double-check that you're sharing the correct address every time you receive cryptocurrency. Remember, once someone sends Bitcoin to your wallet, the transaction is permanent and cannot be reversed, so accuracy is key.